Hi, this is Raymond. In this video, we are going to learn how to use Excel to do the chi-square test for normality. So, firstly, when to use chi-square test for normality? First, our assumption should include the normality of the data. Second, our sample shouldn't come from the population that is normal distributed. And thirdly, we can't apply CLT, the central limit theorem, for our data. So for example, this question comes from your tutorial. In this question, we don't know the population variance, and we can't apply CLT because the sample size is smaller than 30. And also, it's not about the proportion, so we are going to do the t-test for 1 mean. So to do the chi-square test, our hypothesis is null hypothesis data is normal, and the alternative hypothesis is data is not normal. And our decision rule based on p-value is if the p-value is smaller than alpha, then we reject H0, right? Now, we're going to use DAP chi-square test for normality to test the data. Now we can just select the data and input the alpha. Here is 0.05 because of the 5% significant level. And then we click OK. Then we can get p-value or the critical value for the test. So here we just use p-value. So p-value is 0.5742, which is larger than 0.05. So our decision is we do not reject H0 because p-value is larger than 0.05. Then we can do the t-test in the following. Thank you for your watching. See you next video.